Delete the cube. Add monkey. Add some geonodes. Add a cube. Resize the cube. C-verge to 1. Mesh to curve. Curve to mesh. Wait, what? Why curve primitives? Quadrilateral. Make it smaller. Fill caps. Nice. That's the frame done. Control G to group. Join geometry node to join geometry. Mesh line. Count to 100. That's a percent. C offset 0. X offset 0.1. Start location X, -5. Plug count to group input for easier control. Mesh to curve. Curve to mesh. Yes, again. Quadrilateral. Yes, again. Fill caps. Make small. Now we have a loading bar. Control G to group. String to curve. Add a string. Loading seems appropriate. Font alignment to center. Connect to join. Transform node. Increase Y translation. Fill curve. Another string. Add a switch. Set it to string. Compare floats. Greater than or equal to 100. Set shade smooth. Not shade smooth. Create some materials for the frame and loading bar. Use set material node to set materials. And that's a loading bar. Nice. No, wait, that's too much. No, wait, stop.